Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a day in my life because I have a lot to do. I have errands to do, and I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along because I'm actually doing stuff today and not just staying in my house. So that is what we're gonna do today. So I just thought it'd be kind of fun and give you guys a little inside scoop of what actually my day-to-day life usually consists of me staying home. What an interesting day in my life looks like when I'm actually productive and do stuff and go out like a normal human being. So yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys. My hair is just like, I feel like I look like an egg. It's weird. But I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, what I'm wearing today, and then we will go. Okay, so this is my outfit. I just slicked my hair up in like a bun, a middle bun. I don't feel like doing it today, so I just slicked it back. My outfit though, my top is from Zara. My jean jacket is from Pretty Little Thing. My leggings are Lulu's, and then I'm just wearing my Doc Marten Jadens. I just got these yesterday, and I wanted to wear them, and they are just a very cute like fall winter staple piece. So yeah, I wanted to wear them. I heard that they're really uncomfortable to break in, so I'm very kind of nervous for that. I already feel like some areas hurting, so I will enjoy those blisters. And then my jewelry, you guys always ask where my jewelry is from. This is from Ana Luisa, my hoops, as well as this small chain necklace. And then this is from Forever 21, and this is from Aldo. So that's my outfit, very easy. And then I'm just gonna take that purse right there. So that's my outfit. Yeah, it's very simple and casual, but still kind of cute, you know? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go. My mom is waiting for me, and then we're gonna go to the store and other stuff. We have to go get some stuff, so okay, yeah. Okay, so me and my mom are going. The suitcase broke, so we have to go take it to this luggage place to go get it fixed. So my mom's coming with us. The two wheels broke. I don't know how. It was definitely not from me sitting on it at all. It wasn't from me. Don't know what you're talking about, Mom. Definitely wasn't from me sliding across the room in my packing with me video. Definitely wasn't that. Oh, it's cold.
I need to clean up this.
I got cramps. I'll just suffer in pain. Are you hungry?
Are you hungry? I can wait.
Yeah, you can wait too. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the suitcase place, and then we're gonna go to this Whole Foods place because I want to get my sugar-free vanilla syrup. So I've been obsessed with this show. It's called Julie and the Phantoms. If you guys haven't watched it, you need to go watch it. But I'm obsessed with it, and I'm in love with Luke. Okay? Charlie, Luke. I love him. Guys, he's my new crush. I love him. I just need to find myself with him like that. Yeah. But I've been obsessed with the show. I watched it 4 times already. If that's not an obsession, I don't know what is. So, yeah, I have the soundtrack on my phone, so we're gonna listen to some of it.
It's 1, 2, 3, going out of my mind. So I'm going out of my mind. I'm a skin so
Anyways, yeah, I just like the show, so I have a problem. I have an addiction, but I'm currently in love with him in the show. So check it out if you haven't. And if you play the guitar, hit me up. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I get there. So I just got here, and I we'll be right back. So, good old momentum. Oh yeah, we just got our new suitcase. It was super easy. She just switched it. Good. I will not be sitting on that one, I promise. We're gonna get some food and yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. So a little mukbang we got here going on. So we got medium fries. Yeah. I just want a couple. If anyone knows me, they know I love my chicken nuggets. It's my favorite food. And a burger.
Wendy's burger.
Oh, I'm gonna finish eating and then I'll come back to you guys.
Here.
Hi. So I just got home. I'm gonna give you guys like a little mini haul on what I got. But I got this mirror. Oh look, you can see my setup. You guys are on a Frosted Flakes box. But yeah, I got this mirror. I wanted to put it in my room. And then I got some picture frames for my room because I kind of want to do like a picture frame collage wall, if that makes sense. And I got some eyelashes. I love the eyelashes from Marshall's, but they're the Cala 3D faux mink lashes. They just look like this. These are my favorite. They're like $4 each and they're super good. They last me like 10 wears, which eyelashes never last me 10 wears. So the fact that these last me 10 wears is really nice. So I just got like individual ones of these, but they also come in packs of 4 for $10, which is really cheap. And then I got a headband to wash when I wash my face and I don't want to wet my hair, if that makes sense. And I got a little cute like leopard print one, so yeah. And then lastly, I got this little toothbrush toothpaste holder. I got this little soap dish and it's bedazzled as well. It has this little cute bedazzling on it. And yeah, we always use soap bars, so this is nice. And I love how this looks. It just looks so bougie. Bougie on a budget though. Go to Marshall's and Home Sense. They have really cheap stuff. I'm gonna clean my bathroom and I don't know if I'm gonna hang these up now, but I'm gonna clean my bathroom and set up the stuff I got for my bathroom. And then that's pretty much it. So let's go do that. Okay, so this is what my bathroom is looking like right now. It's really gross, like super duper gross. I share it with my 2 other siblings and they're disgusting. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it and basically reorganize everything. I have like stuff down here that I have to clean up. So that's what I'm gonna do. And you guys are gonna clean with me. I don't know if these are exciting or not, but we're gonna clean. So yeah.
I've been waiting for my flight to leave it all behind. Should I change my mind? You say you can make it right by asking me to stay, baby, but clearly our heads are stuck in the sky now, spinning in circles, we're bound to land. No, I shouldn't make so many plans. Not sure we ever got a chance to give it everything we had, but hold on, oh, my thoughts are overloaded. I think I need a moment. You're asking me for something, but some things just can't be changed. Need a better motive, and you don't even know it. You're asking me for something, but some things just can't be changed.
Anyway, so I got a package. So I'm gonna open it on camera and show you guys what I got. I'm very excited. It's kind of a big box. Let's see. So I'm excited. You guys, I think I know what this is, and I'm so excited. You're joking. You're joking. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so these shoes are from Fashion Plug. I just want to say thank you guys for sending me these. These are so dope and they're so sick, so thank you guys. And I'm so blessed and lucky, and I just want to thank you guys as well because I would not be able to get any of this without you guys. So I love y'all. But these are from Fashion Plug, and they sent me 3 pairs of shoes to show you guys. And y'all know I love shoes. Okay, they are my staple piece in all my outfits. That's all that matters. And they just make your whole outfit complete. So if you got nice shoes, that's all that matters to me. But before I show you guys the shoes, if you guys want any of them, all the links will be in the description bar below, as well as the link for the website. If you guys want, you can use my coupon code. It is Brooke16 for 16% off of your purchase. Everything is really inexpensive already, so you're getting a good deal on top of a good deal. So I'm gonna show you guys these items because I'm so excited. We got some Jordans. Okay. So I actually got these shoes for my dad because he wanted them really bad, and if I can't share things, like share getting things with other people, then there's no point. So I got these for my dad. These are the Jordan 4 retros. Like, they have a collaboration with Levi's, so these are just so sick, you guys. Look, these are just so dope, and they're just so sick. So excuse me, my dad is gonna love these. So these are just so dope. Oh my god, they, like, what? I like these. Okay, so next I got Jordans again. I love Jordans, guys. I'm such a sneakerhead. I love sneakers. I just think they're so dope. Guys, what? These are the Jordan 11 retros. These are the Concord ones. Bruh, these shoes are so dope. I don't know why they remind me of elephant feet, but they do. But I love them because no one has shoes like these. Like, no one has these. I've never seen anyone here wear these. So these are just so sick, and I'm so excited to have these in my collection. I just think, oh my god, these will look so good with the outfits I'm planning in my head right now. Y'all don't even know. And then the last pair here, we got another pair of Jordans. I told you guys I love sneakers, and I can't. Okay, I'm literally pooping my pants right now. Okay, I wanted these for the longest time. Okay, I tried to get these as soon as they came. Well, I was gonna get these as soon as they came out, but I was like, no, like, I'm not gonna get them right now. This was before Jordans were like hyped up on TikTok. Everyone made them sold out. But I wanted them, and then a month later they were sold out. So I was like, what? So I'm so excited to get these. Oh my god, they're so sick. I think these are just so dope. All the fun colors, and they just will go with so many outfits because of all the different colors. But these are so sick. I'm in love. I'm in love with these. These are just so dope. Look at that color. Y'all can't tell me that this is not fly. This will look so good on my foot. But again, thank you to Fashion Plug for sending me these shoes. I am so grateful and blessed, so thank you. Again, if you guys want to get any of these shoes, or they have accessories, shoes, they have all types of stuff on their website for really discounted prices and really good deals. If you guys want, you can use my coupon code BROOK16 for 16% off. Again, all the links will be in the description bar below. But I'm excited to wear these, y'all. So I'm just gonna finish off the video there because it is kind of late now. It's like 6 o'clock, and I'm probably just gonna shower, chill, watch a movie, and that's it. I did everything that I wanted to do today, so yeah. But I hope y'all liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe down below. I love y'all. Don't forget to love yourself, and until next time, I will see y'all later. Peace out, scouts. Bye.